Media partners, Opemsuo and OCRC, viewers watching us from afar, from your homes, your offices. We once again welcome you all to today's program, and this is the balloting stage of OCRC 2024. I'm here to go through the procedures for balloting and the road to finals. The reason why we have 20 communities certain 20 communities in Port 1 and other communities in Port 2 and the others in Port 3. Now, this is the reason. All the 60 communities have been grouped into 3 ports. We have Port 1, Port 2, and Port 3. And the grouping was done according to the scores of the champions. The total marks for the community stage competition was 75. So at the end of the community stage challenge, the highest score accumulated by a champion or contestant was 72.7, and the lowest was 54.0 out of the 75. So out of the 75 total score, champions who had highest score have been grouped in Port 1. So those 20 communities or 20 champions in Port 1, they had the highest score after the community stages. And it ranges from 69.1 to 72.7. And middle highest score in Port 2 ranges from 66.4 to 69.0. And we have third highest score in Port 3. Those who had 54.0 to 66.4. Where a community is placed in the port does not determine whether that particular community or champion will progress, exit, or win the competition. No matter where you are, if you are able to read it very well, or if you are able to learn what you are supposed to learn, you can come up and be the champion for this year. There will be 20 contests after the balloting, with each contest having 3 champions representing their various communities. Balloting will be done by selecting one community each from all the ports at the same period to form a contest. So for example, Konao in Port 1, Kumewu in Port 2, and Oforikrum in Port 3 can form one contest. Or Guaman, Aswase, Tuase, they can also form another contest as well. The organizers of this program, as well as GES Regional Directorate, do not have a specific choice or preferred community for winning this year's challenge. Every champion is indeed a potential winner of OCRC 2024. Now, route to the finals. After the balloting, we will move straight to the knockout stages, which contains 4 stages. We have round of 60, round of 40, quarterfinals, and semi-finals. At the end of the round of 60, that is the first 20 contests in the knockout stages, 2 champions from each contest will qualify to the next stage. That is the round of 40, while the 20 others will exit the competition. There will be 20 contests in round of 40 as well. The winner of contest 1 will meet the first runner-up of contest 11, while the first runner-up of contest 1 will also face the winner of contest 11, and it goes on like that. Contest 2 winner will meet contest 12 runner-up, and contest 2 runner-up will also face contest 12 winner. After the round of 40, 20 champions will qualify to the next stage, and the other 20 will say goodbye to the competition. We will then move to the quarterfinals stage, where we have 10 contests. Winner of contest 1 from the round of 40 will meet winner of contest 11. And contest 2 winner will also face contest 12 winner. Contest 3 winner versus contest 13 winner. And it goes on like that. After the quarterfinal stage, 10 champions will qualify, while the other 10 will exit the challenge. We will therefore enter into the semi-final stage. At that stage, there will be 5 contests. From the quarterfinals, winner of contest 1 will meet winner of contest 6. Contest 2 winner will also face contest 7 winner. And contest 3 winner will meet contest 8 winner, contest 4 versus contest 9 winner, and contest 5 winner versus contest 10 winner. The 5 champions who will sail through from the semi-final stage will be competing among each other during the grand finale at Menchia Palace with the Grand Level of Chiefs and Queen Mothers of Asanteman. So in summary, we will say that we will have a total of 55 contests before the finals. And the knockout stages will be done within 8 working days. Round of 60, which is the 20 contests, will be done in 4 days. 5 contests a day or daily. And round of 40, another 20 contests in round of 40 will be done in 2 days. And we will have 10 contests daily. Then we will go to the quarterfinals. At the quarterfinal stage, we have 10 contests, and it will be done in just a day, 1 day. After that, we will go to the semi-final stage. Semi-final stage, 5 contests, and it will also be done in 1 single day. So after the semi-final stage, the 5 champions who will qualify or sail through will go to the grand finale at Maisha Palace. And the proposed date is 26 August to 6 September 2024. Tebusafo yadamase sebuguso mo hweye ne otumfo akensie se de hyase wa fie mu no aha ane yadru na kwan fa so ayi nkronkro anase ye mofra omudi nkoni mu nkro adusia so no na ye de atudwa omomunya ema dodo ewo ma ye de atudwa no ye aduso no mu no omo ene wo port 1 anase bo no a edikan no ye de omo egum na fi omo emaro so eto so kakra anase omo ya ade ni be kasa middle highest score omo so ewo port 2 afi so omo amunya score e be kan se eye then so nam se bi di echi ni nti no ye no so egu port 3 nti na ye ba be yi ba ko e free port 1 port 2 port 3 na omo aka abom sa schools no na sa champions sa communities no e be share our quarter knockout stage round of 60 round of 60 knockout stage, you know, omo na e be share ti e da mu nyina wase menche mo no meja akase mo no mama bisa MC no ahwe ame ya ye balloting no eno achi ye be hu ye wo share obi and as a community bay and a community afofro is here that was.
Oh, Yamoyan Sama, Mr. Tribokodia. Now it's time for the balloting. Adumra ye balloting. Shall we invite our gentlemen and beautiful ladies to come and help in the balloting? Oh, let's welcome them to come and help in the balloting. So viewers and listeners, it's time to start the balloting. We have 20 balls in pot 1, and I've already mentioned the communities making pot 1. So what we are going to do is that the first lady will pick a ball and then open the ball. The name of the community will be shown, and then the second, the man in the middle, fortunate to have 2 beautiful ladies beside him, also pick a ball from pot 2 and then continue to pot 3, and then the 3 team will have a competition for the round of 60. Yenya bano di kaino ebe yi ball no baako oyi a obebie mu community ayomu no na be ma no a wo mfimfini na yi na wapie ni ahwe community na oba na otoso no ayi miensa na obeyi no na ye nipa miensa a omubesia in the round of 60 no. So shall we start with the pot 1? Put your hand in the yes. Then Pacho Yesuni Ewu Nia Ewemu. Ha. First community Tafo. Is it Tafo? Tafo will be in the first competition or first contest against who and who? Part 2, Pacho Yi Bako Nebi Monianche, the honor Tafo Ebeshia. Odium. So contest 1 we have Tafo Odium. Pacho Pejani Huni Tafo Odium. Part 3. Why never can't Tafoni Odium for the contest 1?
Asasi Radio.
Aquadine. So contest 1 on 26 August will be Tafo Odium. And then Aquadine and a better contest 1, 26 August. You have 5 contests on that day. So contest 1 will be between Tafo Odium and Aquadine, community champions. Let's go to contest 2, part 1. Boaman will be in contest 2. Boaman will be in contest 2. Contest 2, part 2. Boaman Afija Kwabre North. Adujama Ahafuano South. East. Ahafuano Southeast. Adujama. So Boaman Adujama, and then the next person will be the next champion. New Edubiasi, is it municipal or district? New Edubiasi district. So, Afija Kwabre North, Ahafuano South, East, and then Adamse South. Boaman, Adujama, and New Edubiasi will be in contest 2 on 26th of August. Contest 3, let's go on. Konongo Asanteachim Central. Contest 3, Konongo, let's go 2. Asokoremampong Municipal. Konongo Asokoremampong. And then the next champion to join them. Kuna community. And until one more Bessie, I can't see a Tosomi and Sa, Aya Konongo, Asokoremampong, and a Kuna, and a third contest on 26th August. 4th contest. Chadia community, Chadia Atumakwa district, and then Asokwa municipal, Chadia Asokwa, and the next one Nyokaho. Adansi Asokwa, so that it will be between Shadia Asokwa Municipal and Adansi Asokwa for the 4th contest. So the last contest for the first day, Pacho, the Ebeka tour on 26 August. Kodia, Efijako South. Kodia for 2. Trader, Kodia, Trader. Also at Achimaka, Trader, and then port 3. Gaso Asante Achem South District. And I can't see a better soon on 26, no? Will be between first port 1 is Kodia, Chadia, Kodia, Trader, and Gaso. Kodia, Trader, and Gaso for, and this will bring us to the end of the first day round of 60 competitions. Here sees contest on 27th August. Santase in Shaeso sub-metro. Santase from Inshaeso sub-metro. Feyase community. Akrofom, as an Adansi Akrofom district, and then 6 contests, which is the first contest on 27th will be port 1 is what? Santase, port 2, Feyase, and port 3, Adansi Akrofom. Adansi Akrofom. Let's go to port 7, contest 7, which is the second contest on the second day. Tanaso from Kwadaso Municipal. Tanaso from Kwadaso Municipal. Tanaso, port 2. Barikasi from Atuma Wabiaja North. Barikasi Atuma Wabiaja North. Port 3. Obuasi. So second contest will be between Tanoso, Barikasi, and Obuasi. 8 contests. We have Edoso for 2. Dechamso for Malaysia South Sub-Metro. Bekwai Municipal. So we have Edoso, Dechamso, and Bekwai contest 8. That is the third contest for the second day, 27th August. Contest 9. Asafo for Suwin Sub-Metro. Asafo for Suwin Sub-Metro. Asafo. Asafo Sub-Metro will be competing with Asawase from Asokoreman Municipal. Manso Edubia District, the first community to have the contest in 2024, Manso Adubia. So the contest will be between Asafo, Aswase, and Manso Adubia. 2 out of the 3 will progress to the round of 40. On 27th of August, the 4th contest. Let's go to the 10th contest, which is the last contest for the second day. I can't see a tosu do or a tosu, you don't know. Opemsuo will be competing with Opemsuo and the wine the Betia kind. A tosu, you don't know. Opemsuo. Manson Quanta, Opemsuo the Manson Quanta. One of the Opemsuo the Manson Quanta. Agogo. Until Opemsuo Manson Quanta, any Agogo, and a Ebesi Akaya etosu, edu, near a catwell or a da etosu, you know, 27th August. You call the 3rd day, 11th contest. Mamponte Kwabre is municipal. Mamponte Kwabre is municipal. Whenever the Besia carry first contest on the 3rd day. In Suta Sachre, in Suta Kwamai municipal. In Suta Kwamai municipal. Mamponte in Suta and a whining and a Omusia kind contest 11 first contest for the 3rd day. Asiwa, Enutino, in Chromian Sa, 3rd day, no, I will see a cano. Bosome from district, and a Baka in Suta, and Mampontin, that on the 3rd day, Asiwa is Suta and Mampontin, 11th contest, which happens to be the first contest for the 3rd day. Yeah, second contest for the 3rd day. That is the 12th contest. Opemsuo, Asokwa Municipal. Opemsuo from Asokwa Municipal. Whatever. Kumawu, Sachra Kumawu district. Enoti Opemsuo, Kumawu. While I become home for the 12th contest. Tutuka, Obuasi Tutuka. And until you were Obuasi Tutuka, and Kumawu, and Opemsuo, Omumian San, the Besia Kai, our contest 12. Second contest on the 3rd day, which is 28th of August. 28th of August. Pacho Yanko 13th contest, which is the 3rd contest on the 3rd day. Kenya say, which is another Kwabre East municipal. Kenya say will be contesting with who and who? Mankranso Ahavuano South. West, I have one Southwest Mankranso champion with contest 13. Contest 13. Kenya say Mankranso and a Gabin. Kenya say Mankranso and a Gabin. And one basi Akaya Tosumi and Son, Ewoda a Tosumi and Son in the round of 60. 3rd contest on the 3rd day, which happens to be 28th of August, we will have Mankranso champion and then Kenya say going against each other. 2 will go through to the next stage. Next contest 14. Contest 14. Contest 14. Kwadaso from Kwadaso Municipal. Kwadaso Municipal. Contest 14. Kwadaso Municipal. On the wine, and the wine echo against, you know, in the round of 60. Kwadaso Municipal. The wine echo. Ebuakwa Kwadaso, Ebuakwa also from Achuma Municipal. Achuma Wabiaja Municipal. So we have Kwadaso going with Ebuakwa. So the next one will be Opemsuo Municipal. Opemsuo Municipal. Ebuakwa, Kwadaso, and Opemsuo. Ebuakwa, Kwadaso, Opemsuo. To proceed to the next stage. We are going to call one Nabako Afrimu. 15th contest. I can't see a better small hour there a Casimir and Sano. Why? Breman from Swami Municipal. Breman from Swami Municipal. Why Ebeshia, third day, last contest. No? Aguna, such a East District, such a South District, Aguna, such a South District, and then the last Yinahini, Achuma District, and Yawo, Breman, Aguna, and Yinahini for contest 15. The last contest for day 3. Young Chasian, the first contest for day 4. Domiabra community within Ajusu Municipal. Domiabra for Ajusu Municipal will compete with who and who? Drabonso, Drabonso, such a Afram Plains District, Drabonso, Domiabra, and Ahibio, and Carrier Municipal. So municipal, Achuma Municipal. So Achuma Municipal, we have Nkaria and Ebuakwa. So we have Nkaria, Drabonso, and Domiabra. 2 will go to the next stage, and 1 will exit the competition. Younger contest 16. Contest 17. That is the second contest on the 4th day. Swami Municipal, Swami champion, will contest against Kunsu, Hafuano, Southwest, Kunsu, and then the last to compete with them, Swami Kunsu and Twase will lock horns together. Swami Kunsu, Twase will go for contest 17. Contest 18, let's see contest 18. Contest 18. Bantima, contest 18. Contest 18, Bantima Sub-Metro. Continuously, Atuma Bosomtwe District. Continuously. So we will have Bantima, continuously, and Jakubu locking horns against each other for contest 18. Amansia Central, Bosomtwe, and then Bantima Sub-Metro. Contest 18. Contest 19. Bokrom from Enshia North Sub-Metro. Bokrom from Enshia North Sub-Metro to compete against Efidiase, such a East District champion with Menshia North Sub-Metro champion. And then finally, we will have Edra Municipal Champion, Edra Sekedumase Municipal Champion. So the three will go for contest 19. And finally, we have contest 20. Contest 20, from part 1, we have Mampong Champion, Mampong Municipal Champion, locking horns against Formula Champion, and then finally with Tapa Municipal Champion. I have one North Municipal. So we have all our 20 competitions. So in summary, going back, we have contest 1. It will be between Tafo champion, Odium champion, and Akumadan champion. Contest 2 for day 1. Buaman champion, Adujama champion, and New Edubiase champion. Contest 3, Konongo champion, Asakorebampon champion, and Kuna champion will lock horns against each other. Contest 4, Kedia champion, Asokwa Municipal champion, and then Adamsi Asokwa champion. And the last contest for the first day on 26th will be Kodia champion, Twede champion, and Gaso champion. On 27th, second day of the round of 60, we will have Santasi champion, locking horns against Feyasi champions, and Akrofo champion. Contest 7, which is second contest for the second day, will have Tanosu champion against Barakesi champion and Obuasi municipal champion. And then in contest 8, we have Edusu municipal champion, Dichamsu champion, and Bekwai community champion. Contest 9, we have Asafo champion, Aswasi champion, and Mansu Edubia champion. And on the second day, the last contest, on 27th, we will have Opemsuo champion, Mansu Kwanta champion, and Agogo champion, locking horns against each other. On the third day, which is 28th of August, we will have Mamponten champion, Insuta champion, and Esiwa champion. On the 28th, 12th contest, which is the second contest for the third day, we have Atonsu champion, Kumewu champion, and Obuasi Tutuka champion. 13 contests. On the third day, we have Kenyasi champion from Kwabri East Municipal, Mankranso champion, and then Gabin champion. 14th contest on the third day, we have Kwadasu champion from Kwadasu Municipal, Ebuaka champion from Atumanga Biaja Municipal, and then Oforikrom champion from Oforikrom Municipal. The last contest for the third day, 15th contest, we have Breman champion from Swami Municipal, Aguna champion, and then Inahini champion. And then the last day for the round of 60, the 16th contest will be between Domiabra champion, Drabonso champion, and Enkaria champion. Second contest for the fourth day That is 29th will be between Swami champion, Kunsu champion, and Twase champion. 18th contest on the 4th day will be between Bantima champion, Kontinase champion, and Jakubu champion. 19th contest will be between Wokron champion, Efidiase champion, and Ejura champion. The last contest for the round of 60, which will be held on the 29th, will be between Mampong Municipal Champion, Formula Champion, and Tepa Municipal Champion. So this brings us to the end of the balloting. Shall we invite the Deputy Regional Director of Education, Ashanti, in the person of Mr. Thomas. Oh, thank you, our beautiful ladies and gentlemen. Oh, let's put our hands together for them for helping us go through the balloting. I wanted to punish them small. Shall we welcome Deputy Regional Director of Education to give us a short remarks on how he has witnessed everything.
Thank you very much, Mr. Chairman. I am excited to be here in your midst. I would like to take this opportunity to thank Opemsuo Setutu the second, the Asantehene, for spearheading this all-important reading challenge initiative. Hitherto, the reading spirit of students in JHS and junior high school was almost dying off, but for this initiative. Distinguished ladies and gentlemen, as we draw the curtains on this Opemsuo Community Reading Challenge 2024 balloting event, we reflect on the profound impact that the literacy and education have on our communities. Today's gathering is not just about selecting participants, but it is a celebration of our shared commitment to foster a love for reading and lifelong learning. The enthusiasm and support shown here are testaments to the collective belief in transformation power of education. To all the participants, sponsors, volunteers, and organizers, your dedication and hard work are what makes the initiative like this possible and successful. Let us continue to champion the cause of literacy and ensure that every individual has the opportunity to unlock their full potential through the joy of reading. Together, we are building a brighter future, a future of one book at a time. Thank you, and let's look forward to an inspiring and impactful Opemsuo Community Reading Challenge 2024. Thank you all. God bless you.
Asasi Radio.
Thank you very much, Mr. Thomas Ahmed Watson, Deputy Regional Director of Education. And we also want to acknowledge the impactful support of the Regional Director of Education, Dr. Amankra, from onset, and all municipal, district, and metro directors of education in Ashanti region for their immense support when we went to various communities and towns to organize the community level contest. We say a big thank you for making the community level success. We are most grateful. Yet, when I know a Juma and that day, anyone I know what did Juma Babosumi in Sia Ekemo at the Abeduni, for community reading challenge. Yet, I want to say, your call and Persiane Santamanu and Crowd was no directors of education. I want to ever tired if you say. Now, regional director, energy Chumano Echi, your district, municipal, and metro directors, no assay. All our trainers, all our coordinators, homo assay, a church for our homo training, various community champions, no, and so assay. On behalf of Opemsuo to the Second Foundation, we say a big thank you to all our stakeholders, our supporters, our partners, and even our judges who also went with us to all the 60 communities. We say thank you to our judges. They've done very well, and we are looking forward to very competitive contests come 26th August. We will get back to you and then let you know the details of the round of CC competition. Thank you, and God bless you all for also watching us and enjoying the balloting of Opemsuo Community Reading Challenge knockout stages. Thank you. Yeah, that will be us.
Asasi Radio.
Alright, so you just heard Mr. Kwabno's on the new head of stakeholder relations of the Opemsuo Center to the Second Foundation, taking us through the balloting stage for the 2024 Opemsuo Community Reading Challenge, aimed at promoting English and reading and tree reading among junior high school students as part of Opemsuo Center to the Second's 25th anniversary celebration. Alright, so we're going.
Otumfo Osei Tutu the second foundation Jumakuo no ene omode OCRC eye Otumfo community winning challenge eye Otumfo akenkai akense dwumadie no ahyehyɛ so afi eye January edibesi busumi ya yewomu na no ena ene omode dwumadie so nkokora eba menhia ahemfie na afia kobi park eso ni nyina eye balloting na ne bisesi amano kasa die balloting dwumadie no aba na wieye ni senti mini owura kwamra wusu ababio ono ena oko Otumfo Osei Tutu the second foundation or stakeholder relationship edema Otumfo Osei Tutu edema Otumfo Osei Tutu the second foundation edwumakuo no etimini ne bedi nkomo afa ene balloting dwumadie no said ekoyeye Mr. Obio mema ha
ya ena
Mepacho Opemsuo TV so ene balloting dwumadie no aba na wieye yenhye asanye esikoye sen na mu esikoye school fu wodo se ana se krodo sen ena ene munya wo mu a mu ne wo mu ebesi akan
that's na de dikai machia otiefo ne wahwefo ena ye be balloting na balloting na ye be no afi enam ohene emfi aduenu num a ye celebrating tino ye tu anama ko empesua ene nkrabata e wa santimemu nyina entino ye kwa asantimemu nyina no 43 districts no baby wo ha ye municipal ye Kumase ene nkra kasemu te say municipal and then metropolitan nipa more than 2 ahemfo bi enkro bi te say Konsu Feyase kuna trade domiabra and I'm not more almost so de my into almost no yeah my almost special slot and the sister community champions no na and I'm saying Ashanti Regional Directorate of Education and AD Jumanin no yeah ne womo ekabo mu ebe ye balloting ema nipa na womo qualify from sister communities na or broadcast me beka say and you more can see knockout stages no yeah be hyase bosome ngotwe no abieye eno na ene ye to ye nsafre Opemsuo ene mo nuanom a mo ne ye di sa adwuman se momra na momfa nko mo social media platform ntintanfidie wiase obia ebehu nyayeye no na yaye ama womo a womo ye champions ne nyina ate de ye no womo hu nyayeye no
ena yenhye sedie omo a muyi womo no ede dikan nkro a ewo ho ede tosumienu kura ewo ho nom ede kosi ede etwatuo no yo
in the round of 60 no in the round of 60 no you be 5 round of 60 no you be 20 competitions now 20 competitions no yeah you share no say a modern a born no community by community no near 75 marks. The 75 marks do nya kase pa nya 72.7 and the none the from pa 54.0 na no na ye ne say ye be hye wo so de be ya do nya kase fo mienu nhia eno ntino ye chemu aduenu emiensa na nya port 1 port 2 port 3 ntino hwe se de ye ma wiase nyina ho ye na wo nya 69.1 to 72.7 no nipa duenu no echo 1 port and omo nya 66.4 no to 66.0 to 69.0 no call port 2 and omo nya 54.0 echo pem 66.0 no echo port 3 eni ntino ya ma amrantie no begina ho oyi ba ko free we mo oyi ba ko free mo ntie no tafo a onya port 1 no ono any wodumo port 2 any akomada ya port 3 omo ya nsabesi akan ededika na buaman edujama any new edubiase ebe ya kansi etosom yansa etosom yansa kansi etosom yenu saa dana konongo asokore mampon ne kona ebe si akansi a etoso miyansa twade asokwa any adanse asokwa ebesi akansi etoso 9 day di kan na afi kwodie trade any dwaso esi kan a etoso enum enti that di kan no 26 August no enum we ne ebeye na I don't know kura na ya hyese school bia mfa nkoda adue no mra no metai wo mochi enti wo hwa ada no yebenya schools edunum a obi ade enkoda adue no ebanti yebenya nkola ahasa na wo da no a ombeba be twemo ata wo nua wo si akan ene a church-for education directors ada tosum ye no yebesanya santase feyase akrofom adanse akrofom na fe yenya tano so barakase ne oboase municipal ne yenya edoso di chamso ne bekwan ne yenya asafo asoase ne manso edubia na fe offense manso kwanta ne agogo omoso da tosum ye no sa enkuro enum community champions ne besi akan na yenya da tosum ye nsa na yebenya mamponten ensuta ne asiwa bosome frɛ ho champion na fe yenya atonzu a ofri Atonso free Asqua Municipal Kumawu ene Obuasi Tutuka champion ni enya Kenya so free kwabre afija kwabre ya ene bankranso ni dwabe na afa enya kwada so ebuwa kwa oforikrum na na etwato ya agona breman ene nyinahi omo atwato
na Mr. Osu se wo hwa mochemu edunum da bia da ya chemu edunum edunum ya chiche wo yansa ntiro da etwato da toso 9 no do me abra drobonso ne nkawe swame kunsu ne toase bantama kontranse ne jakubu bokro ba fijase ne adwura na afi akansi etwato nda no ayemampon fomena ne tepa enti sa miensa wo mu si akan na emu mienu ebekọ wo anim na baako afrimu na America we na me dia hye omo nkura se ya nhyehyeye no se wo free mu a enchese ye wura free mu se ye ni nyira koye ni mu akodu enum na omo baye na ebebo dwama nananom ane adisuan panimfo ane members of parliament nyina be hia ne schools ahodo amo be hia no 60 community champion aduenum na omo free mu no omo nyira be ba ha ni asha omo ni monyam ni omo certificate ni omo achade ada etwato na ye ne ntinya se be wo free mu anu wa free mu ene nti ye hya omo se mpo ntade ade ama omo ba hyade aye competition no omo di kogo na da no omo nyina hya duenum no omo ba ka omo nuanum no no omo ya ye bodwa tede wo nana fi kobi memorial park ha na nana no atras na manwefo atras na homasua akandefo free ministers regional directorate municipal directors ni district directors any akyerɛkyerɛfo ne wo nyina ne awofo aba betras nti sana etie nti eye ene ballot ya mobeye ya machichemu ahodo miensen ahodo nan day 1 day 2 day 3 day 4 no fa na mobeye sa adwumadi
eno afi atwa mu no de edi kai ye no Opemsuo studio afi atosum ye no ye no Prempeh assembly hall afi atosum ye nsana ye hwese ye beze semina ne nti ye ne saa no se ye pese amofra no enya nimdie ne ye de wo mko baabi foforo a ehu bia nimu ejisi obi ba Opemsuo no na no te council anim ena na ye hwehye na de etoso obi ko Prempeh assembly hall so we call Prempeh assembly hall na no gina na ya hwehye na obi be ko ba bi foforo afi said ya be ya ehu bia enimu enti emre ko enim ye be da na di ba bia ye be ye enyi mu akansie no nyina na ne dwato e dia ba man hia kotokofia
eye otunfo oseitu the second foundation my sa community reading challenge emebebre afi die no ne sonko eye ne enesen
me da se ye sha se 2021 no ye the 11 district and municipals na ye ene nya 60 communities in so ba bibi te se Kumasi a niye wa asafo niye wa makom niye wa asokwa niye wa hensan niye wa kaase niye wa tonsu niye wa bantama niye wa krofom niye wa dichamso champions mu ye koye ni mafia tosum ye no ye de 16 ye try akwa ha mu edi bi koka ye di bi be kwa ni ye ka nkuro no bi bom na afi de nam so afi edi ne mfie duenu no mntino ye say ye de hye ohene animonyam entino Ashanti region, all the districts, all the municipalities will be here. And the districts in Kitwan will be almost a district contest. And a school be a champion. School be a champion. Now you call a district contest. Schools, schools at the schools at the will be a champion by the same to schools are what at your small man municipal will be added a champion by any and you know sana no tiweno stronko when stronko when stronko say we na no the whole of Ashanti region you know we stronko we know representation of the entire region you know we sana che
for a patrol ne Ora Osu Abebio, Ora Kamno Osu Abebio, your stakeholders relations at the Ma Otunfo say to the second foundation.
Stakeholder relations head no Maya say me hwe enhomasia so o to no say no Opemsuo for mon pese me firi ho be bana no di ma chimre bia no abige pa chobra one of the say stakeholder relations no me free ho and me jama no ntime be na say we stakeholder relations me in charge of education portfolio nti busara and saba kwa na me no bi e hihye ya
Mr. Abebe ma me no wie ye nim say me dwuma de bebre de boa schools ahodo e wo Asante mantem hanu mu say ye mbobone ma ba ko me no mi so amo ye no important de boa school e ma de sua e koso
ye wo otumfo agro equal mobile learning ye kokofwe mofra adse e wo nkrom ye ko a enkro no bi kura no eso kroma no so ehwe omo se sasa ye tuo omo sasa ye failure omo sasa ye clean ye koye ne toso mienu ye wo water and sanitation ye nsuo ma schools a ekura nsuo ho den ankola ne nya nsuo ne ekotu nsuo no school no na ankola no ko school mo nya bi na kroma no so anya bi ne toso miensa yesa ewo mass distribution of textbooks and exercise books ye two and amount ko che enhoma ema afa yesa wo AI centers koko si AI center artificial intelligence ema wo no nti we no nyina ye ne ma ye me ne wo kasa last year spelling bee ye bon kola bi asne aso wo mu ama kola duenu no o mu du no mu qualify from semi final to final ye ko nkran no kola over 100 people am ko grand finale no ya kola ba ko toso miensa ba ko toso nan Ghana kola miensa wo mu edi kai no ye de wo mu kwa America ya kola ba ko ye so na sne e man $10,000 sponsor no de no kwa America o ko ye wan ko gu ni mu ase en kola over 11 million no o ko to so 60 ani ntino we no ye ne ma ye me ka say ye be hyase e yin kola mo di mfie nso kopim mfie du ba ko ya hye ase atete wo mo na ye de wo ma ko spelling bi akanse ntino ne ma pi na ohene adaroma the foundation ye said be ya ebe boa nipa yedie asetena mu school komu empomdin mu we no nyina ye de ye na ye de aboa asantema na trako Ghana fa na nyina
ja usu ka se mo che se we de mo ye de ahye asante hena ni monyam eti akola we bedi nkunim e wa fi die mu no obetumi de mo de ba ma no atudwa me wati
obedi nkunim no bibi te scholarship de obi onim se akola no ye be ma no scholarship to any tertiary institution opebia na de akaka ho de yenko ye nim se de be ya yemfa pressure bia nto enkoda no so medas
no wie kura eden na wo ka ede ache wo mo ekosi ebesi akan ya maseleti wo mu obi wa ha wa bon homodin watimi awini enso be hu ni so bi woni mu eden na wo ka ede ache mu kura
ya meka ede ache wo no se ehu sem bia nim da bia meka sa nkwala no wo mo ya hema wo mo ya champions enti the competition on be ne hu nim ne tosum ye no the fact say wo port 3 no enchire omo ensesi omo am akyerɛkyerɛfo no ene directors no mo ankoda no no omo ensesi omo ebe ye nwanwa so obi wo port 3 onya bi 65 oba knockout na no obi onya 70 point something no aba betu no enti no ene kyerɛ sa wo ye odi kan a anya wo na odi kan
medase eye eja usu me patro position no wo say
head of education portfolio medase
you me patro yen kasa kakra Pierre Mbacho ada ma so be ka me ho wa no mu sei na ye ni nkomo etiefu anasa ahwefo ne dwumadi course no empanifo a omo hwe nwumesua eso wa santimante mu ha eba omo do moni monya ebeta dwumadi echi esanse eboa ama nwumesua akonanim pa eyi nti omo so na sekura nei omo so ewa ha etimi ni mpanifo yi emionu bedi nkomo eye director opani kwanchefo ebedi echi o menchai eno kasamafo so ewa ha no se ma me ni kasamafo ni nkasa na panyi kwanchefo me ni awie esanse se panyi dwalewia na esu asa opanyi me mo ha Opemsuo TV so eni
Mejo so
me pacho wudi eni wudi bre
efe mo se bo tin Henry me PRO or Genius Ashanti region
PRO ye she enne dwumadie ya mo so mo ba ya die mpa na ka mo se mo so mo mla bie a enne mo so mo pedu dwumadie ya
on say Opemsuo Education Foundation and organize na yen beneficiaries no yen participate students no nti omo so no omo yen kora e kire omo ade omo na compete nti na say yen key stakeholder I will say yeba bejina omo no
yen hye na ejidi ye se nwumesua mu ne matosi kakra free say community with challenge e course so e factory ne brofin no mo hwe makra ne modern ma etesen say wom e konanima na ade etianete
well nia ehunu say enkola no modern no akosro if say this is the third edition omo aye last 2 years omo ye bi enti sesi no aboa ma enkola no bebre no kenkai sanebe omuso mbetimi asisa akan no ebie nti aboa pa
ti jese no eden na wo hwe free enei emofra ya select wo mo a wo mo eko eye finance wo mo dina mu a eden na wo ka kire wo mo school form wo mo hwe se wo betimi adu pempensuo bi abeboa wo man eden na wo hwe afri wo.
Well ni ameka no se on se wo hwe balloting no a just 60 communities no 43 MMDs no ninyina ewo mu bi se wo hwe ayi a omo mention ba bi ti se tutuka na Obuasi na so tutuka no district capital for Obuasi East district inti ho so ya another district not together anti district bia no is being represented ewo sa competition yemu nti eno no aboa ama yebetumi anya district directorate bia involvement ewo program no mo nti yebeboa empa
that's ye hwe ne se meja wa mo wako enche omode akansie ni besi so ebe hyehyɛ so eye mpanimfo a eda nwumesua ano wo mensi ahoduro mu no de na wo ka kire wo mo se wo mo so de support better time of ra wo mo be akansie
well ni ameka kire metro municipal and district directors no enyina ene se ombeboa na mofra na omobesi akan no omobema wo mo support ama omodi aba any ehemfo any various PTA and SMC members are on various communities no eso omo nyina ababo wankola no ama omo atumi abesi akan no na edinkonim abre community bia
mirasi eye kasamafo edema nwumesua ewa santimante mu ha oro say buatin na enini edin komo efa enne eye otumfa kenkan sie akansie dwumadia ekoso e balloting dwumadia ekoso ewo menhia hemfie ono so ba enini na edin komo mame nko panyi kwanchefo na bedi akire enchen na enini nko enin komo emie wo dwumadim opanyi mi mo ha de ma Opemsuo TV so
so
pacho baba wudi na omo yehu odwumadie na wudi bre
pacho ye frame Owura Thomas Kwame Boate me ya bedechire ema de ohwe enwumansua so asanteman mantem
opanyi yensha asanteman mu nwumasua nsem etisen wode toto mansina na semantan ahodo na aka na asanteman me gina se senka wo maki ya be ma ye sen percentage no asanteman me da sen
Semi Makima, a sentiment of Macassi 70%.
The whole Ghana, a castle. My Maxia, a sentiment in Becassa 70%. A day in a man, Bassa.
Because I said, my was a district and penning for a teacher for and no one did the schools are known in any abroad muye chuma. A dear, Obi ya dear, no abonabaso. Said the bear wrote to me, across why yet dear broso. And interior show Mujuma dinner, more 70%.
Yansha mpanifu monso motion mesuaso wa santimantima edien na mo hyehyeba na modi agu akwam se mo ye ama engumesua no se 70% ebekọ nanim afia ebesim na emi no be hye biom no se de free 70% emmoa ne hyehyeba na modi agu akwam ewo engumesua
emmoa ne hyehyeba a ye di agu akwam no ba ko ye se ye free bibi performance contract ye free a school wo mom di da no nyina no ma be sign ayese wo no obi edi dwumadie bi no aka je wo dwumadie wo die no wa ho ode ne die na betumi aye dwuma ye pese ye abupan mu se na betumi aye amaye ndi sa performance contract na be sign no ene ne ye beyere wo se obeye se wo ye no anye ne ye di a ye be ma wo kokobo beba se tokoso a na afedie asutwe bi wo ho ye se de man na ye de ama because wontimi emeda school ano na ya kire se yi adwumadi we na wontimi ayese odo obi akọ afum se bade ni wonko ye adwuma na ba bia e wo se bade fu bi ehu se woduro no wontumi enu se wanenye the same thing e di sa na ma edi agu kwam ni tina gidi ye se ebe ma kirekirefo wo mo hwe school so ene amantama mantem wo mo hwehwe sai nso obi abeye na dwuma se de esisite
eba choya na nkrofo tebisa se uko school na obi ka chia na ya trading names of talkative chia na okan ba okabrofo dia akasa nso akabrofo ye ntwe ni din kopanishin no sa de no ase ye na ayaso twi nkrofo kasafa ho ebe eye se ukatwi wo school ma na ye ma punishment say akenkan se dwumadie ni nyina ebesi wo twi akenkan etide na mo so mo di afa sade no
on se wo hwe school ne hihye yemo na akora start school a beduru be P6 no ho no a wo so otumi kinkan ne ma mekasa otumi kinkan no ye wie susu a school no a wo kwa ati no wo be ko university secondary school no eniema abetwe na ye brofo enti brofo no wo se wo sutumi ka sa akora wo no otumi kasa no otumi ka brofo ya otumi so ogina ho a wo nsura de otumi kana dwene eno ene betumi aboa no so ye mpia eno na betumi aboa no so ye broadcaster ana so ye media madwuma bi betumi akasa yi brofo ne ye kasa ya gi atum se eno ne ye de bedi dwuma enti se fa se o ya santini no ha on transantimem obekọ anwunamem obekọ enkramem obekọ sirem mantem okọ a kasa obeka ne be se eno ntina ema ye nibre ne ye hye saade no se wo school na wo kai ya ne atwuro di no mo ye se de be ya kasa no ebe hye di am watumi aka
iti aside no ede na mo ye na mo hyesa kasa ni mu kena se nipa no wi school no otimi katwi ka ne ye otimi ready twi ready ne ye otimi ka brofo ka ne ye otimi ready brofo ene ede na mo di hyem amana ye kena na nya se otimi ye we otimi nye
bi enu ntina ebe gina na me kasa se ye bo tumfo aba so wo saade ya wo yi ade ebetumi aba ye se wo se wo ready edi ye competition say no na e create ope e wo bia mu wo gina na obi ye no ye ni ya bozo just akeka me nkwa nka betuma ye eno no be mu waye ye to sumi no so ye ka se wo school no se ba se mi so na me ba na ye ma me tie news enkanka GBC uka omo no beboa wa se wutie saade no brofo no so be improve saade ne be brofo ene twie no wukusua okenkan na waka enti e wo se read na wo so tumika eno na ye ka se obi anye no no mfa no honyim ne beboa
So I don't want to see anything.
But yeah, she mo so no mo betimi de bibia gu akwamu se e bia na wotwe nyina no ye yidasi esi ho akenkai school bia jishe bi sa o mani so se mo be ye de aboa na ne enye de obekwa kosi akan ko na bekwa ko read na nka school bia timi se mo wode bi period bia mode ma akenkai dwumadi
me gidi yes sad no so wo sue twi a ye bra ye de kenkan wo kan passage enti no ho saa de na ya hyehyɛ no me gidi yes say ye ye ne ye ne ye hwɛ so de a ye sɛ de enhyehyɛ ye wo adusuam kyerɛ na ɛbɛboa
me da se eye dwumadi ya enemu ba ye momofra wo mo ya so mo ahwe me ye hunu de ewo mu e wa kenkan mu e no mo toa so den na mo hwe ni mu afi mo nche
ye hwe se enam se dwumadie bia wudi a de di kan de tosumienu de tosumienza ko ne mu ye den enu ntini ye hwehwe se kɔ nanimu no wo momode mo ani niemo mbeye ne so be kosoro na ama ye nyina ye ni agye se afa de mutaye di si ye ni so fa adusuamu akenkan ye yin ekosoro
ekoba se obi edin kunimu wakenkan semu a GES mo wasantemanti mu a ma ya hihye bi se mo di bibi so be yi nipa kra ya na se mo bebo abasobodie bi wo honum sa de nipa kra
abasobodie de bi wo ho na me mpese metutumrika aka abasobodie ne sese wo ye ne sa ba kra na ema enmunyam na enye de ohu nti abodi asobodie wo ho ma wo mo bebo mo ho mode
me da se yo me gidi ye se ne wa kan no etiefuo eya schoolfuo ene awofuo etie na ebetu hu anamo esanse enwumasua de eyoma bia ne fapem se o ma betu mpon o ma be kɔ nanim a ejina enwumasua eso etie se mo so no mo hyehyɛ a mo de agu akwa mu fa adesua ho ana enwumasua ho no so no na kopa be ma mo ahoɔden na de mo hia bia mo nsa aka eti ebeja mo na mo akɔ yo me da se Opemsuo say to the second foundation OCRC Opemsuo community reading challenge Opemsuo akenkai akansi adwumadie no enene balloting eno enene aba na wie ya ewo menhia ahemfie efie kobi park eso
A little bird tells me that some of the community champions